silent. Lady officer, you're the criminal. Baby, keep the noise to a minimal. If you resist, then I'ma have to bring it down.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this side part with a 5x5 closure, glueless, no spray, and I did some like soft edges using a small flat iron. So I'm going to show you guys that. Keep in mind, I do always link the products in my description box now, so you guys can have easy access to get them, the ones especially that I use. Today's wig is in collaboration with UNicehair. I've been working with them a lot recently, and I've actually really been liking their quality and their lace. Their lace has been very thin. So today, this is the wig I'm going to be using. I'm going to have all their specs down below. It just came with the regular packaging. It came with some eyelashes and a headband, and it also came with a wig cap. So I'm going to just show you guys the process of me doing this side part with the 5x5 closure. Y'all, this came out really good. It came out better than I expected. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really recommend that you try this for your summertime, springtime looks. Yeah, especially if you're going on vacation or something. Even if you get a curly wig, just try this method. I feel like it's gonna work for you. And since it's glueless, even if you're sweating in the heat or humidity, it's gonna be perfect, okay? And I also curled my hair and I used a new spray. So just watch the video and you guys are gonna see everything I did, and check the description box for all the links, okay? This is the length of the hair. I know this is black, but you can see it stops right here by my waist. I will have the lengths down below and the density. So yeah, this is how it came out, and let's get right into this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try a side part closure. So this is UNicehair 5x5 closure. I'm gonna have the lengths and specs down below. It's really nice. It's a body wave wig. So I know normally I wear it like straight on my head. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten the wig, and I'm gonna cut off the 2 tabs on the sides. So these 2 things, I'm gonna cut them off. Normally I would put it on my head just like straight, so I would normally just put it on my head like this. I need to put some of my foundation in the lace, and this is gonna be glueless. All I do for my glueless wigs, I just put the band inside the wig to the tightest setting. I'm going to cut off the lace using a razor, and you can see how it's nice and flat, and that's just from putting the band on the tightest setting, well, the tightest area. And for the side part, all I'm gonna do is just tilt my wig to the side a little bit, literally, so like that. And then you can see this is outside, but I'm not really worried about that. This side is like a little on my ear, so I'm just going to pull it back like so, and then just leave it like this. I'm going to turn on my hot comb. I will link all my hot comb, my flat iron, my blow dryer, everything is going to be linked down below. So check it out, and it's very affordable. So now all I'm going to do is part the hair where I want the part to go. So I want to slant the part like right here. Okay. So this is like an L-shaped part, and then I'm going to comb it over. I'm going to use a hair clip just to clip this down. Make sure that any loose hairs are out of the way. Wax stick, and I'm going to put the wax stick on here just so this can lay down flat. And this is a 5x5 closure, so just bear in mind you want to leave some of your hair out on the side areas just so it can blend even better. But if you don't feel like it, you don't have to. Part through the hair, and I'm going to put this. And when you put it, just go ahead and use your hot comb and flatten it out. And when using your hot comb, you want to comb through it and then press the back down. Okay, now I'm gonna just take some of this wax stick, put it on my hand, and then I'm going to just flatten out here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make some like quick baby hairs, and then I'm going to just curl this hair. Look how seamless, look how seamless the lace looks already. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the edges. All I'm gonna do is just take out the piece right here in the front, and I'm going to just cut it down a little bit. Small pencil flat iron. Wait for that to heat up. It heats up very quickly. I have not put any spray or anything on this wig yet, just because it doesn't need it, so I'm not gonna put that. And while that is warming up, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to turn on my Glueless 1.5-inch curling iron, and I'm gonna link this down below as well. Everything that I'm using today is gonna be linked down below, all the flat irons and hot comb. So all I'm gonna do is just take the pencil flat iron and then curl this, ouch, going underneath. You want to take your baby comb, your baby hair brush comb, and just swoop the edges going back this way. You can also use some spray and just use that to hold down the root area, and then just swoop it like so. And this gives it like a natural type of look. And then you can go ahead and just like swoop over here if you want. Just cut off some of the hair, and this is giving it like a natural edges look. And keep in mind, we did not put any glue, no spray, no glue, no nothing. So this is a good thing to like, a good way to wear your 5x5 closure, especially in the summertime when you know you're sweating. You don't want your wig to move and the lace is looking like this. I'm going to take the Bio Silk Therapy Light, and this one is for thin hair, just so it won't weigh it down too much. I'm gonna put like a dime size amount. I will link this down below too. And what you want to do is put this at the middle section of the hair and the ends of the hair. And now you can go ahead and curl as you please. But I have one last thing I want to do. I'm going to take the number 11 Ruby Kisses foundation. I will link this down below as well. You want to get a brush, and you want to go ahead and define the part in the back. Like this. You don't really have to worry about the front because the front is like very natural. If you have not checked out my plucking tutorial, I recommend that you do. And then all you want to do now is just go ahead and curl your hair. So I'm going to section it off in two sections, this side and that side, obviously. And I'm going to start with this side first. And I curl going upwards, so like this. I actually really prefer my 1-inch flat iron more than this 1.5 inch. I don't know, I feel like this 1.5 inch is like so big. But also, to spray your hair, you want to use a holding spray. So you can use the Got2b. I'm gonna link it down below. That's what I normally use, but I got this recently. It's the Sebastian Shaper Plus, and I'm gonna just use that to spray the curls. The bigger the curling iron, the more hair you can curl at one time. And I hold the hair for about 14 to 15 seconds, and then I let go. Look how seamless this lace is, and I did not glue it down. Okay, I'm gonna finish curling the hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. Ooh, said you wanna feel like it's your birthday all day. you so much for checking me out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was easy to follow, and if you actually like it and you're gonna try this look with your 5x5 closure, or even if you want to check out UNice hair, I will have the links down below. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. If you don't want to spend a big amount of money on a frontal, I recommend that you try this out because this looks just like a frontal, like literally just like a frontal. So yeah, and if you want it to look even more natural on the side, you can go ahead and take out some of the leave out on the side and just do your edges right there, and that will make it look even more natural. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.